Nice little purchase I picked up. These beautiful yellow halogen lights. They're glass, plastic case. Just got a simple nut, and you just hook up the power wire. And I don't like this too much, but it's grounded right there, and that's where you adjust it to make it go up and down. And as you can see, it fits my bumper pretty good. It's on there loose right now. Let me go ahead and tighten it up. Holy smokes, does that look good. As you can see, they pretty much are OEM replacement size, I think. About the same size as the little push bumper thing. Cannot wait to see these bad boys lit up. I don't have the wiring yet to do it. I'm trying to decide on a switch pack for the inside. I might do like a rocker switch panel or something, or a custom console. So it's gonna be a little while till I get them set up, but they fit perfect. I think you can get these in clear as well, but I'll have the link in the description where I got them from, and you can purchase them if you want in either yellow or white.